Let's take a look at this fuse box. Now, we can see here that someone has run Romex into an old fuse box. Now, anytime you run Romex into an old breaker box or fuse box, you want to leave 3 foot of wire extra. And you can tuck that wire up into the joist. Now here we can see we got spools of wire on the wall. Now this is good. It's extra circuits for somewhere, but they left plenty of extra. So what you want to do is create a mess on purpose. This Romex, the yellow wire, whoever did that, there's just not enough wire. Every single circuit that doesn't have extra wire is going to be put into a box and then run into the new breaker box. I mean, that's going to happen. Whoever did that wiring knows that. Now here, this is pretty nice work. It's relatively neat, but it's the same thing. There's not enough wire left to run into the new breaker box that's going to be put in here relatively soon. And this is new wire. It's yellow, newer Romex. So as neat as the work is, it's poor workmanship. They just didn't leave enough wire for in the future what's going to be done here. So when you're installing Romex into a fuse box or an old breaker box, leave plenty of extra wire, not like what they did here. Definitely, we don't want to put every single circuit into a box before you run it into a panel. Now this isn't bad. It goes in. You might get that into a new breaker box. Now up in here, I like to see that they actually have a spool or an extra rod into the rafters. That's what I like to see, so